Right, hi everyone. Right, well I'm back round on the P6 again. Probably going to be a bit of a short one today because I've still got to continue scraping the underseal off, which I'm not going to film at all. But first, I'm going to remove the mountings that hold the top of the diff carrier in. Because that one down there is knackered anyway. So you can see the bushing's no longer attached to the rubber on that one. That one seems alright. I've got another pair which I need to have a look at and see whether they are the same or not, because I know there is a few different types, one of which isn't available anymore I believe, but we'll have a look and see whether the ones I've got will be any good. Right, I'm also going to pull all of the fuel lines out of it. When I say pull, you know, undo all the fuel lines out of it and remove the handbrake cable so that I can get to all of that lot and remove the underseal from there. But first I need some really long arms to try and get to the bolts on these. So right, we'll have a go at that. Got all the brake lines out now, fuel lines out, handbrake cable off, took the handbrake out so I can get underneath and scrape all of the underseal off without all of that in the way. Yeah, all the fuel pipe looks in pretty good condition. It doesn't feel brittle at all actually, which I thought it was. I've just hung it up here out of the way now so I don't get kinked up or anything. Obviously I'll be cleaning all of that lot up. Just kept the brake line so that I know the length of it. It might be handy. But yeah, and I've removed the rear mounts for the top diff mounts as well. As you can see, this one is absolutely toast. I don't know whether you can see that number there. That one says 17/1258. And the ones that I've got kicking around, the rubber looks smaller anyway, and it looks like it's 17/403. I think these might be off of an earlier 2000. But you can see on here that you can just make out the Leyland badge there. So does that mean it's new? It's just been kicking around a while? Anyway, you can see the difference quite. Let me try and put them side by side. Obviously if I was to fit that in, it'd drop down too low, so I need to find at least another one like that. Obviously the other side's not too bad, and it appears that the front diff one is the same as well. So if anyone's got any one of them, let me know. Right, so back to me scrapey now. Deep joy. I'm not going to film it. Oh yeah, another thing I did purchase this week, with having to roll around on the floor and that, and I'm not getting any younger, so I got myself one of these. It's actually quite good. I don't know why I didn't get one years ago, but yeah, it's quite handy just getting under there, getting all them fuel lines out, then I could whiz around with it. And when I forgot the tools, like you inevitably do, I could quickly get out and go and get them. So yeah, happy days. Alright, so I've done a little bit more, as you can see so far. You can see my jacking points that I've got to do. We'll be doing them very soon. I just wanted to show you this bit here. So you can see like a nice thick covering, which is what was on the other side, which is all very well and good until it starts lifting, because as you can see it started to rot that edge, which, you know, it's not difficult to repair, but you know, the underseal has protected it pretty well, but you know, when it lifts, that's what can happen. Right, anyway, I'm going to continue scraping this all off. We've still got loads more to do. This is just taking ages and ages. But anyway, it's got to be done. At least once it's all scraped off, then I can see any welding that is going to be needing to be addressed anyway. But yeah, I'll keep at it and I'll be back. Right, so I'm pretty much done again today. I've only been over here a couple of hours, but I ain't got much time today. But we have managed to get all of this bit stripped up this far, so that's good. We've got all the awkward bits done and out of the way, so I'm reckoning that next week I should be able to get the most. Well, I reckon I should be able to strip the rest of it next week if I can get over here and spend a good day over here, because I just want this job out of the way. But I did find another little bit of rock which was hiding under a big thick bit of underseal, and that's up in there. It's not anything major, but you know, something else that I've got to address. But yeah, this is why I'm scraping it all off, so that I'll find all of these bits like that and like that bit there. Obviously I know about the bump stops, mounts, so they're all good. But yeah, we'll get the rest of it all stripped off next week then, and then we get some rust remedy stuff on all of this surface rust stuff, and then we'll give it a coat or something. Although I'm a bit concerned about whether it's going to stick, because now it's getting colder, but I'll chuck something on it at least. But we'll see. I might not. But right, yeah, anyway, I know, sorry it's only a short one this week, but you know, there's not a lot to show really. It's just really monotonous, boring stripping. But anyway, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.